everyone, it's Laynie and welcome to the channel. How are you guys doing today? Leave it down below. You know I love hearing from you. Wow, February. It's like here. This is actually the 29th when I'm filming this, and I was like, you know what? I'm gonna get ahead of schedule. My toddler's napping. I'm gonna come down and I'm gonna film my monthly tray because I must tell you the truth. I'm so excited for this next month. January seemed to fly by but go kind of slow all at the same time. I think it's just because it was so stinking cold here, and I'm so ready to play with new fragrances. I want to tell you a little bit about some loves I had over the month of January, but I'm really looking forward to February because February has Valentine's Day, and I'm a big sucker for Valentine's Day, plus my favorite color is pink, so I definitely want to kind of make my February tray just like cutesy, girly, feminine, date night, stuff like that. So I'm very excited to set up the February tray and move on from the month of January. Okay, if you enjoy fragrance content, beauty content, and a little bit of lifestyle content, make sure you click that subscribe button and join the fam. You won't regret it. Alrighty, let's just jump on in. A fragrance that I'm still so on the fence about, honestly, I didn't wear it as much as I should have because I have to be real with you. This is Sex on Fire by Juliana's Perfume, which is supposed to be a dupe of Absolute Aphrodisiac by Initio, which I love. And I know that has, excuse me, fuzzy, go away. I know that has a very animalic tone to it because it has the note of civet. This like greatly carries that animalic note. Like it's heavy duty. Honestly, it smells like a ferret's butthole, okay? I can't lie. In the deep dry down it is pretty, but that animalic note, it's just hard for me to get past. Why not? I'm not going anywhere today. Because I am a little off-put by how animalic this is, I have trouble reaching for it because I'm worried I'm going to offend other people that I'm around. Yet I'm still not quite ready to get rid of it yet. I actually totally finished up my Noir Distill, which is really exciting. Anytime I finish up one, so exciting. And honestly, this scent is freaking fantastic, you guys. This is so affordable. I believe they're $25 on Amazon. This is a very, very boozy. You have to like boozy, sophisticated, kind of I got money scents. Very sexy in my opinion. Coconut and booze. Very creamy. Really a good one. Especially if you love anything vanillic. So good. I can't lie. I just finally picked this one up today. I don't know why I didn't reach for it more, you guys. This Clinique Cookies and Kisses is so good. I believe there's chestnut in here, vanilla, pimento. If you love things like spicy, creamy, vanilla, so good. Almost a little bit fresh as well. One more affordable one that I just found myself absolutely loving each time I applied it. This is Soleil Notes Amande. This is so good. This is an Eau de Parfum. Oh, I don't know. I really should take a French class. That would be so fun. Eau de Parfum. I don't know. There is a freshness in here that makes me almost think like EDT body spray because it is almost like a little bit fresh watery. It's not heavy duty. It's not super cloying, but there is a lot of spicy almond that very much reads cherry. I want to look at the notes real fast. I'm so curious. This one is so good in my opinion. It has passion fruit. That's probably the freshness. I'm getting that kind of juicy, watery vibe. Almond, tonka bean, jasmine, sandalwood, and vanilla, but I very much get cherry almond vibes in here with a splash of fresh juiciness. Oh my God, you guys, this one is really good. And honestly, I think this one could be all year because it's so good in the winter because it has that spicy, almondy cherry vibe. But it has that juicy freshness that I think would play really beautifully in the early spring when it's still cool out but the sun is out and it's a beautiful day. Like this would be so good. So last night after my shower, I put that on each shoulder because I wanted a little va-va-voom, and then I went in with Penrose Gilded Fox. Powder is not listed in the accords, but I get a little bit of a powderiness in here. I think it might be the cocoa because there is cocoa in the top notes, and cardamom, so you do get a soft spice. And honestly, I am falling in love with cardamom. It's becoming my favorite spice note. It's so good. There's rum and butter. That's why I bought this one. That really intrigued me. And you do get like this rich creaminess in there. amber, vetiver, cedar. This one to me, I could definitely see being unisex. I could see the right man wearing this, but honestly on a woman it's kind of like Boss Babe a little bit because of that spiciness that's in there. The little bit of cedar and vetiver. So this Gilded Fox with this Almond, the two together was really lovely in my opinion, kind of like a perfect winter combo. I honestly enjoyed everything for my month of January. I don't want to go through all of them again, so I will link that video down below for you because otherwise this will be so long. But truly, the only one I was on the fence about all month was this one. I wish I had the money to get the real thing, okay? Like that one is really good in my opinion. But truly, loved reaching for all of them, loved playing with them. Now let's deconstruct and reconstruct for the month of January. So I'm thinking all things pink, red, romantic for sure. I'm considering putting this one, but I feel like I've used it recently, so this is a maybe. This one I feel like is too springy, not what I'm going for in February. But definitely really considering Yum Pistachio, even though it's not pink, I feel like it's so girly and feminine. Like how cute would that be on the February tray? What about this one on the February tray? Like there's so many to think about. Like hello February, yes. Ooh, a strawberry note in February. Okay, I just have to think, analyze. Oh, pink sugar. Yes, absolute. Oh yeah, okay. I just need to think, not get overly excited, and I'll be right back with you and we'll see what I've grabbed, all right? But I'm so freaking excited about this month's tray. First, I'm gonna mention the one I'm hoping to use up in the month of February. I'm so close. See Passion. Just a really pretty soft floral with some sweetness, very romantic, a really easy reach, honestly. I feel like this is a good one for work. It's not gonna be overly offensive. It's also still classy, grown woman type scent. I have quite a few playful ones in here. That's the only goal one because the other ones are very full. I had to pick up True Amour by Zara because hello, it's the month of Valentine's. True Amour, I had to. This honestly smells so much like Delina. And my actual Valentine's Day scent. I love this. It's not for everybody. You have to like sugary sweet goodness. This is Oksha's Sweet Addict, which is most certainly a dupe of Love Don't Be Shy. And honestly, I have had a sample of Love Don't Be Shy. This is so freaking close. So good, very fruity. There's like neroli and orange blossom, I believe. Lots of marshmallow. Truly smells like you're wearing a bowl of Fruity Pebbles, and I love it. Eden Juicy Apple, I had to. I feel like I had this on a tray quite recently, like not too long ago, and I just don't reach for her a lot. I don't know why. I don't reach for her, even when she's on my tray, I don't reach for her. There's something about my more expensive bottles that I just have a hard time reaching for, which I know is so stupid because it's like you have it, you paid for it, you should wear it. I get all my Kayalis on discount usually on Black Friday. I think the only one I paid full price for might have been Yum Pistachio, but these are definitely in my collection a more upscale purchase for me, and so it just feels like, oh my gosh, so scary to use it. This is Bath & Body Works Country Apple, but expensive. Love the bottle. It smells really juicy, fruity, yummy, honestly very body splash-like. Then, as you saw, Yum Pistachio Gelato. You have to like fresh. That's the interesting thing about this, and that's why there's been so much hate towards Yum Pistachio, because it's very soapy fresh. Honestly, like, very soapy fresh. Someone said bathroom cleaner, and I was like, I kind of get what you're saying. Not when I use it in my home, but like when I've gone out to like use the restroom at a gas station. I get what people are saying. It's like the soap or something in the air. I do get it, but I honestly find it to be quite lovely, especially as it dries down. It gets better and better. A lot of marshmallow in here, some creaminess. It's very powdery in my opinion. Like powdered sugar powdery. So sweet, so good. I love it. And right now I've been using the Pistache Body Cream from Amazon, which is so good. It's like pistachio biscotti, and it's quite spicy to my nose, so the two together are so amazing. Then I had to Yara Pink. The bottle's so freaking cute. I absolutely love the Yaras that I have. I have the pink and the white. I've never smelled the orange one. This to me is tropical fruit milkshake. You hear strawberry milkshake a lot. I don't get strawberry. I get tropical fruits. Maybe like pineapple, banana, and something else. It's like tropical fruits in a big salad together. To me, it is not strawberry. I love it though. I think it is so good. It's a little powdery. It's beautiful. It's feminine. Very sweet, but also understated. It's not in your face. Juliet has a gun. This to me smells almost exactly like, why am I going blank? Hypnotic Poison. Ugh, brain, work. Hypnotic Poison, but maybe a little bit more on the floral side. Not quite as root berry, which is what I love about Hypnotic Poison, but this is really good. Honestly, I feel like the longer she sits, the better she gets. A really beautiful, lovely vanilla. I'm sure you've heard about it 700,000 times. 7 Virtues Vanilla Woods. One that I've just been dying to reach for because truthfully, I haven't really worn it much, maybe one time, and the bottle is so beautiful. This bottle, that's literally the reason why I bought it. I'm not gonna lie to you. Florist by Ellis Brooklyn. Got this on Mercari. I was so freaking excited. It's very creamy, very floral. I get bride when I smell this. I definitely think this will be the week of Valentine's for me. And then just because I was like, it's red, I don't reach for it much, Juliet Has a Gun Lipstick Fever. In here we have raspberry, violet, and I don't know because the rest of it has worn off. But I get like an ambroxany fruitiness, almost like Glossier You mixed with raspberry juice. Very fresh. I actually like to wear this to the gym sometimes. On Some Gold by Lattafa. Oh, cap is hard to get off. The bottle is stunning. This is a very similar dupe to Oriana. Oriana to me is a little bit creamier, a little bit more well blended, but for $300, I would hope so. If you love Don't Be Shy, Oriana, things that fall under that category. I feel like there's been so many things launched that fall under that category now. This is definitely a good one, and it's very affordable for a very beautiful presentation, which I appreciate. The only Narciso perfume I've ever enjoyed, I always want to flip words around here. Musk Noir Rose. This is a juicy, musky rose, honestly. Something I had to reach for that I'm going to show you next because I felt like I was going to wear them together. Brazilian Crush 40. I think this with the Narciso will be a stunning combination. This is very sweet plum and amber. This is one of my favorites from the body sprays. This is so rich in plum that honestly it gives me prune, which I know doesn't sound great, but dried fruit, how it gets so much sweeter and richer and darker and deeper. That's what I get from this. You have to like the note of plum. Otherwise, you're going to hate this because this is like very in-your-face plum. One that I truly picked up for the color and because, you guys, I have so many perfumes that it's easy for things to get lost in translation, right? They get pushed to the back. They get pushed to the back burner. You don't reach for them. And Alien Fusion is one of those for me. Truly, like, I don't even have a scent memory of her anymore. That's how long it's been since I've worn this. And I was like, the red packaging is stunning. And I just mentioned it in my collection video, which if you haven't seen, I will link it down below. That I can't even remember what this smells like. And I just haven't gotten rid of it because the packaging is so freaking pretty. But if there's ever a month to give it a go, it's going to be February because this bottle, literally, this bottle, noteworthy, okay? So beautiful. Going along the same theme as in the color, my Al Harmain Amber Oud Rouge. This is just a dupe of Baccarat Rouge 540, the Extrait. At least that's what I get more than the OG Baccarat because truthfully, I can't really smell Baccarat. I've had this so long in my collection and it's so long and there's not that much of a dent because this is so powerful. You got to be careful with your sprays. Mucalat. I was like, okay, I've got room for one more. What am I going to pick? There's more on my tray. Excuse me. I don't want you to leave just yet. There's more on the tray, but when I was picking, this was the last one I picked. I had room for one more, and I was like, what's it going to be? Mucalat. This is kind of a different one. It's like almond and strawberry, but it's like Play-Doh-y, synthetic-y, in the best way possible, in my opinion. I really do enjoy how this smells on me in the air, and I have gotten compliments when I'm wearing it, but it is not going to be for everybody. And then, yes, I am by Cacharel. Such a cute little affordable one. The bottle is so stinking cute. This is the only Cacharel that I have, and this is a very date sexy, almost kind of grapey, I think tuberose. Like I get a fruitiness in there, a little mysterious, definitely playful, definitely sexy. And I was like, okay, it has to be in the month of February. Then of course, pink sugar, like I freaking had to, you guys, come on, did I have any other choice? Honestly, February is the perfect month for this because of the fact it'll still be very cold here. And as well as when picking my fragrances, I had to keep in mind that the fact that February is a big deal for us here. My daughter's birthday is in February. So like one of these has to be what I wear to her birthday, and I want it to fit like a kid's birthday party. I don't want it to be like ultra sexy, ultra sultry, powerhouse, knock people out. I just want to smell good and inviting when we have friends and family for her birthday. Pink sugar, it's a love it or a hate it. I see a lot of hate on it, and I truly don't get it because I think this is incredible, truly. It smells so good on a cold winter night. You spray this on your scarf and oh, you just feel so warm and cozy and wonderful, and you just want to keep sniffing yourself. And then just because the bottle is so stinking cute, and I really haven't given this a serious wear, I've worn it to the gym because to my nose it's quite fresh. It's like a fresh rose, but there's a bubblegum note in here, which is so fun and playful. I love that. It is definitely the only reason why I bought it. Well, the bottle and the fact it has bubblegum. It smells very good, but I really can't tell you much about it because I haven't given it a good wear. And lastly, I picked up Brazilian Crush 68, all because my coworker wore this the other day, and truly it smelled so freaking good on her. I should have been like, how many sprays did you do? I need all the details, please, because we were working on a project together that had us going around, moving things around, setting up for our work holiday party, and I just kept getting whiffs of it. It was just like hit me in the face. Every time she moved, I was like following her trail. I was like, you smell so good. If you like Into the Stars by Bath & Body Works, this would definitely be a good one. Okay, that is all for the month. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That's not bad. It took me longer to do the math than it should have. I know that, okay? I suck at math. But yeah, that's my tray for February. I almost said January because it's so hard to believe the month is over. But I'm really excited about this. Might be like my favorite tray thus far, doing a monthly tray. Like I'm really looking forward to this. Let me know, what are you guys reaching for in February? I love hearing from you. Seriously, can't wait to hear it. Leave it down below. I love to hear it. I know others here in the community do as well. I will see you guys soon in my next video. Thank you for hanging out with me. And as always, please try to stay positive because at the end of the day, that is truly all we can try to do. Mwah. Bye-bye.